In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Aliexpress like a pro. Whether you're a seasoned shopper or new to online purchasing, understanding how to efficiently update your account settings can really enhance your shopping experience. Let's dive right into the process, ensuring you have a smooth and secure experience while shopping on Aliexpress. First, you'll want to open your web browser and go to Aliexpress. If you're not familiar, Aliexpress is a popular online retail service made up of small businesses in China and elsewhere, offering a vast array of products at competitive prices. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to log into your account if you haven't already. It's crucial to be logged in so you can access all your personal account information and settings. Once logged in, navigate to your profile, which you can usually find in the top right corner of the page, typically represented by a small icon or your account avatar. Clicking on this will lead you to a drop-down menu where you'll see various options related to your account management. Here, you'll want to select Settings. This area is essentially the control center for your account, giving you the ability to customize your shopping experience and make necessary updates. In the Settings menu, focus your attention on the Shipping Address section. This is where you'll be able to add or update the shipping information that Aliexpress will use for any orders you place. Click on Shipping Address, and you'll be prompted to input the necessary details. Enter your full address carefully and double-check your information to avoid any shipping errors later on. In addition to the address, you'll need to provide a valid phone number. This is an essential step since your phone number is often used by delivery services to arrange the delivery of your orders or to contact you in case there are issues with the shipment. Make sure the number you provide is one you have easy access to. And just like that, you're done. With these settings updated, you're now ready for a seamless shopping experience on Aliexpress, where you can discover a multitude of items across countless categories. Remember, keeping your account information updated not only helps with smooth transactions, but also adds an extra layer of security to your online shopping. Double-checking your details makes the whole process much more efficient, minimizing the chances of any delays or issues with your purchases. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful as you venture into the vast shopping landscape of Aliexpress. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more tips and tricks for online shopping and digital navigation. Until next time, happy shopping and stay safe.